Hi guys, today I'm trying out some new products from Lamel. Starting with my base, I'm using my cushion foundation from Dolce& and Gabbana. This is their Rose Glow Cushion Foundation. It's brightening, hydrating. It says it's a bouncy foundation with SPF 50 PA double plus double plus. I am using the shade 04N and it's the perfect match for my skin tone. It looks a little lighter in the beginning, but then it settles into the perfect shade for me. It oxidizes a tiny bit and settles into the perfect color for my skin tone. The applicator is very nice. It just picks up the right amount of product that is required to cover the full face and looks very natural. It is not at all drying. It is moisturizing, hydrating. I'm not sure if oily skinned people will love it because this says it's a hydrating foundation. And I really like it. This is not the cushion foundation if you want a full coverage glamorous look like the tier one. This is something that you would want for a very natural no makeup look kind of a base foundation. Okay, so you can still it is going to give you a very natural veil of coverage, nothing too much. If you even if you layer it, this is not a buildable formula. Okay, so even if you layer it, it is not going to give you a full coverage, so keep that in mind. And it's available on Nykaa, it's available on Sephora in India. So if you like formulas like that, like very natural kind of finish for an everyday wear, and you love luxury makeup, this could be a good splurge because this is not cheap, guys. This is expensive. It retails for around 3,400 Indian rupees, and you get about 15 grams of product. The shelf life of these are 3 years, and this is a new launch actually. Dolce and Gabbana uh, never had makeup. It is a new launch from Dolce and Gabbana in the makeup line, and I really like it. I have purchased a bunch of other products from Dolce and Gabbana, and I'm loving them. For the contour, I'm using my trusty match stick by Fenty Beauty. This is in the color Swedish and Swedish 10, and this is a very good contour color for my skin tone. For reference, I am NC25 if you're wondering. And I'm using the ELF putty. This is the ELF putty brush. You get it with uh you get it with the you get it on Nykaa with the the putty bronzer. You don't get it with it, but you can purchase it. This is called the putty bronzer brush, and it has short synthetic fibers, and it is very useful to blend in any kind of bronzer, contour, or anything of that sort. You can see how seamlessly it blends in and looks absolutely flawless. I have also contoured my nose. I'm using the same brush to blend in the contour, and this is how it looks like. This settles into a matte finish. This doesn't have any glow, and which is why it's the perfect formulation for contours. It has the right amount of cool tones to it. I also love the liquid contour by what is that brand called? I forgot the brand. There's this liquid contour, and the second one, which is my favorite, is this, the Match Stick by Fenty Beauty, and it just effortlessly blends in. For any beginner, I feel this is a very good choice for a cream contour. These products are mostly for people with dry skin who like using cream products. Now, coming to the Lamel products that I wanted to share my first experience with, is this eyeshadow liquid eyeshadow by Lamel. It is called Mad Eyes, and this is the color in a brown toned, very cool toned brown. This could also double up as a contour as it has the right amount of coolness to it. It looks very beautiful. It settles very quickly, so you need to blend it very, very quickly. You don't have much working time, which is a good thing with a single eyeshadow look. But if you want to blend it with some other colors, it could be tricky. So what I like to do is I like to uh, put a few drops on my eyelids and just quickly blend it with my fingers. I don't use any brushes with it because it kind of, it's not very good to blend with brushes. For the blush, I'm using the Lamel blush in the color Flamey. This is Fever Blush Gel to Powder Finish. It's a very beautiful formulation, and I'm also using a brush by Elf. I absolutely love the brushes by Elf. They are so affordable, high quality, very beautiful to work with. And this is how the color looks like. It's the perfect pink blush that you may enjoy during the festive season. It gives a nice flush to the cheeks, and little goes a long way. There is a lot of product in this tub. It says 7 grams, but it is going to last you a very, very long time because you just need a tiny, tiny bit of it. You can see the coverage is so beautiful. The pigment is so beautiful. I just took a tap of it on the brush, and this is the kind of color I get on my face. This is absolutely one of my favorite cream blushes. I am a big, big fan of cream blushes. I love powder too, but if given a choice, I would always prefer cream blushes. Now, coming to the lip stain, I have found this new lip stain by Lamel, and this is in the color 02 Passion. They have 2 other colors also, but the 02 Passion is such a beautiful mauvish brown color. It looks absolutely stunning. It has the right amount of brown and mauviness mixed into it. It looks so beautiful on the lips. And the best part is, even if the gloss fades off, the lip product leaves a very beautiful stain, and it's your choice to reapply it, or you can just top it off with a lip balm or a lip gloss, and the stain stays for a really, really long time. You can see how beautiful the color looks. It is very hydrating. For people who have dry, chapped lips, you don't like you don't like wearing any liquid matte finishes on your lips. This is something that you can try. I'm sure you will love it. 02 Passion is my favorite. There is another color which is a reddish one, but this is the one that I absolutely love. For my lashes, I'm just curling my lashes and using my Dior mascara. This is an okay-ish mascara. I'm not a great fan of it. I feel there are better mascaras for this price. Dior products are expensive. Would I repurchase it? No, I don't think I will repurchase it. I might invest in something else, maybe the YSL mascara. But overall, this is how the makeup look has turned up, and blotting the lips, this is how it leaves a stain. I hope you liked this makeup look. Let me know in the comments section which is your favorite products in this makeup, and I will see you soon in my next video. Make sure that you subscribe if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I'll see you soon in my next one. Bye.